It is rewarding to know that everything that myself personally that I do helps a doctor be able to better communicate with a patient, or a patient be able to understand a little bit more in layman's terms about what is going on with them.
Not only are we supporting the provider, but we're also supporting the patient as well to, really overall try to get better health results for the patient.
Bring education and awareness to patients, caregivers, and healthcare professionals with the ultimate goal of empowering all of them.
So when I was 16, my father was diagnosed with terminal brain cancer. Very trying, to go through the whole experience. So if we would have had any educational content or like a 3D model to kind of coach us through it, it would have been a lot easier to digest.
I've always had a fear of doctors because they speak in a language that I never really understood.
When I got into this industry, I had just gotten over being a caregiver for my spouse, who is a breast cancer survivor. And I looked at this industry because I wanted to do something more meaningful.
When I found a company with a digital offering, I just knew that it was something I wanted to be a part of.
When you hear about a diagnosis that has an end to it, and you're not sure when that end is, but it's sooner rather than later, you go into a state of shock. So anything that we can do to help caregivers feel comfortable, ask the right questions, feel like they have an advocate in some way, to me, it means everything.
The work that I do on a day-to-day basis, and it helps the relationships between patients and providers.
We're giving them tools, we're giving them resources, we're making the common ground more available.
It's enabling those patients who, by the very nature, are info seekers to become smarter, become more intelligent and informed about their own disease.
When you're setting your health in someone's hands, you have to be able to have an open, honest, trusting conversation. I'm glad that we're able to support, and provide information that allows for patients to take those steps with their providers.
On a day-to-day basis, I'm just there as an ally and as a resource to help the patients and providers grow together.